My dear friends, today I am taking the question first information report. This is a very important topic, and I am taking second question of K5002. First of all, I will define the meaning of a FIR. FIR means first information report. Meaning of FIR. Answer. The term FIR has nowhere been defined under CRPC. It may, however, be defined as under. So, my dear friends, here you see the definition first. It is an information which is given to the police officer. First point of FIR. Second point, information must relate to a cognizable offense. Yani it means there is a relation between FIR and cognizable offense. Third point, it is an information first in point of time. This is the first information. Fourth point, it is on the basis of this information the investigation into the offense commences. This is the information about the offense commences. This implies the information given to a police officer and reduced to writing as required by this section is called FIR. This is the definition. Second, FIR is not mentioned in this code, but a report recorded under this section is known as FIR. My dear friends, all these points are related to the definition of FIR. So, FIR is the first information report. This is a very important topic because it is used by the people we have seen daily or in day-to-day life. This topic is used by so many peoples, and we heard about the FIR. So I am taking all the essential topic of FIR. The object of FIR, importance of FIR, and evidentiary proof of FIR, and where it is lost. These are the important topic of FIR. I am going to take one by one. My dear friends, second point of FIR, where FIR is lost. The general rule is that ordinarily the information about the offense committed is to be given to the police station having territorial jurisdiction where the offense has been committed. My dear friends, you know very well this point. FIR is always lost to the police station in which the jurisdiction lies. So, but this does not mean it cannot be lost elsewhere. This is the most important point. But this does not mean it cannot be lost elsewhere. If any offender wants to lodge his FIR near his police station, where the offense has been committed, and that police station does not lie in the jurisdiction, that police station cannot deny according to the Supreme Court. Third point, according to the Supreme Court direction, FIR can be lodged in any police station near the offense committed, and the same will be transferred to the police station in which the jurisdiction the offense has been committed. This is, my dear friend, very important point. FIR can be lodged in any police station, whether that police station has jurisdiction or not. It is the duty of that police station to transfer that FIR to the police station where the offense has been committed. And about this, Supreme Court quote an example of a constable. A FIR was not lodged by a constable, and he denied due to the jurisdiction. So, Supreme Court took action against him, and Supreme Court directed that this should not be repeated in the future. It is the duty of the police station to lodge a FIR, whether that police station lies in the jurisdiction or not. It is the duty of the police station, after lodging a FIR, to transfer that to the police station where the offense has been committed, or the offense lies in the jurisdiction of that police station. My dear friend, this is the second point where FIR is lodged. FIR can be lodged where the police station has a jurisdiction, or the police station does not have a jurisdiction. FIR can be lodged, and it is the duty of that police station to transfer that FIR to the proper police station. My dear friends, third point, object of FIR. What is the object of FIR? First point, the object of insisting prompt lodging of the report to the police in respect of commission of an offense is to obtain early information regarding the circumstances in which the crime was committed. Second point, delay results in embellishment and the report gets bereft of the advantage of spontaneity. These are the factors which can destroy the benefit of the FIR. Embellishment and gets bereft. Third point, there is also a danger of introduction of it. These are also points which may affect the FIR. Colored version and exaggerated account or concocted story as a result of deliberation and consultation. Though the FIR must be made immediately so that the authenticity of FIR remains unaltered by the factors mentioned above. So, my dear friends, object of FIR is it should be made immediately in the police station, and delay may change the object of the FIR due to these factors which have been mentioned before you. So, I am taking fourth point. My dear friends, fourth point, importance of FIR. It is of the very great importance to know what was said at first before there is time, facts to be forgotten or embellishment. The memory is then fresh, and if the statement is made soon after the occurrence, there would be no opportunity left for successful fabrication. It is an important and vital piece of evidence for the purpose of corroborating the oral evidence adduced at the trial. Its importance can hardly be overestimated from the standpoint of the accused. My dear friends, the importance of FIR is very great because if FIR is made precise and concise, facts have been made in the FIR. This FIR will help in trial as well as evidence in the trial. And precise and concise FIR will be very helpful for the right judgment for the judge. So, my dear friends, importance of FIR. Importance of FIR is a very great. So, if the FIR is made accurate, it will help in right judgment. If FIR is not made accurately or it does not contain precise and concise facts, then it will not help in the right judgment. So, FIR must be made promptly or immediately, and facts must be entered into the FIR should be accurate, or you can say precise and concise. So, this is the importance of the FIR. My dear friends, fifth point, evidentiary value of FIR. It is settled law that FIR is not a substantive evidence. It is not the evidence of facts which it mentions. It is also well settled that unless a FIR can be tendered in evidence under any provision contained in Chapter 2 of the Evidence Act, such as dying declaration under Section 32(1) as the cause of informant's death or as a part of the informant's conduct under Section 8. It can ordinarily be used only for the purpose of corroborating, contradicting, or discrediting under Section 157, 145, and 155 Evidence Act. My dear friends, the evidentiary value of FIR is mentioned in this paragraph as you have seen. Under these clauses, the value of the evidentiary value of the FIR is mentioned according to these clauses. So, this is the fifth point, evidentiary value of FIR. If FIR is accurate, if FIR is precise, or if FIR is concise, its evidentiary value is very great for the judgment. If it is not, then judgment may be as you think. So I am taking the last point, sixth. My dear friend, last point. What is the effect of delay in filing FIRs? The object of insisting upon prompt lodging of the report to the police in respect of the commission of the offense is to obtain early information regarding the circumstances in which crime was committed, the names of eyewitnesses present at the scene of occurrence. On account of delay, the report not only gets bereft of the advantage of spontaneity but can be tempered or introduction of colored version, exaggerated account, and concocted story as a result of deliberation and consultation. It is therefore essential that the delay in lodging FIR should be satisfactorily explained. Where prosecution fails to explain, delay in FIR should be viewed with suspicion and it loses its weight. My dear friends, delay in FIR or a FIR which is recorded after the time, it should be made immediately. If it gets the time, it means there is something. It can be tempered, it can be changed, it can be altered, or there are so many others, color version, exaggerated account, and concocted story. All these factors will affect the FIR if it is delayed. So, 6 point, what is the effect of delay in filing FIR? My dear friends, FIR must be made immediately. There should be no delay in FIRs. If there is a delay in FIR, it means the FIR is not correct. So, I have mentioned all points of FIRs. I have mentioned 6 points before you today in this question. I think all the points are clear. So in the last, my dear friends, I want to make a request to you. Please subscribe the channel. I shall be very thankful to you. Name of my channel is Maths by Dharamveer Singh Dabas. Please subscribe. Again, I thanks.